and then you have transportation, the car. If a car costs me $15,000, but I have net income of $500 per month, that means that car is too expensive for me. That car is it taking you from point A to point B, right? You're not doing anything for work with that car, right?
They're taking me. No, that's what I use to move around, like walk. And the deal is the 800. The car bill is from the 800. That car bill, everything is in that money.
Oh, everything is in. Yeah, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean you need it though, right? So what I would personally do is, right, because you're here, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would do because I want the best for you. Is if I have a $15,000 and I have your income of $2,000 per month or a little lower, I would not buy a $15,000 car. So I'd consider right now is a selling market for cars. I would consider selling the car and buying a $5,000 car for cash.
Bum 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 ba 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 ba. You've got to